Baiklah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Malam ni saya nak berkongsi satu soalan pengambilan ataupun integration berkenaan dengan fungsi ni, function. So, diberi 1 bahagi x kuasa 1 per 3 tambah 1 dx. Okay. Sekarang ni cara nak selesaikan soalan ini adalah dengan menggunakan kaedah penggantian ataupun use substitution. But the question is, which one will you be substituting, which term? Maka untuk soalan ini kita perlu gantikan sebutan untuk pecahan bawah ataupun we call as the denominator. So we will be substituting that term and we will continue onwards with the technique of integration, which is use substitution. Okay. So kita tulis sini u sama dengan x kuasa 1 per 3 tambah 1. Dan kita bezakan antara x. Dapatkan kita membezakan sekali buat kali pertama, which means that we take the first derivative. So du is equal to 1 over 3 x. So when we take the first derivative using the power rule, maka kita akan dapat 1 per 3 tolak 1, bermaksud akan dapat negatif 2 per 3 dx. Okay. So dari sini sebenarnya kita boleh jadikan sebagai 3x kuasa 2 per 3 du sama dengan dx. Okay. Dari sini kita boleh gantikan Kita boleh lihat ni serupa. Maka apa yang korang boleh buat adalah mula kita tulis mula 3x kuasa 2 per 3 bahagi u du. Okay. Sebelum tu, kalau korang nampak untuk penggantian kita ni boleh diungkapkan dalam sebutan begini. X kuasa 1 per 3 sama dengan u tolak 1. Okay, kenapa? Sebab apa? Cuba tengok. Okay, ingat balik hukum indeks ataupun one of the index laws states that for example, we have x raised to the power of a times b. We could separate the exponents here. No, sorry. Kita asingkan kuasanya bagi operasi darab, maka kita akan dapat x kuasa a kuasa b. Okay, kenapa? Okay, saya tunjuk macam ni. 3, kita buat kurungan, nak tunjuk sahaja perbezaan yang kita akan buat ni. X kuasa 1 per 3 kuasa 2 bagi u. Ini masih mengikut hukum indeks ya. So, anda kata korang boleh lihat sebutan ni dengan sebutan ni adalah serupa. Maka kita boleh gantikanlah dari situ. Maka apa yang kita akan dapat adalah pengambilan bagi 3 darab u tolak 1 kuasa 2 bahagi u du. Okay. Maka dari sini, korang boleh kembangkan guna teorem binomial ataupun you can expand this term by using the binomial theorem, which you obtain. Well, if you like to bring out the constant outside of the integral given, then to make it easier, so you may do so. So you could obtain like this, and then korang boleh kembangkan dapat u kuasa 2 tolak 2u tambah 1 bagi u du. Now from here you realize that you can integrate this easily by separating those terms to each of it respectively in a way that, because we are using the rules of integration, then you could see how we solve this very nicely. So first, let me just separate this term to become 3 separate terms. So this will be u minus 2 plus 1 over u du. And now we integrate each term. Therefore, we will obtain u squared over 2 minus 2u. Therefore, a reciprocal function, when we integrate this, we will obtain a logarithmic function, which is ln of u. So, kita akan letak tambah ln nilai mutlak u. Absolute value anyway, okay? So, tambah c. Okay. So, dari sini, sebenarnya kita boleh kembangkan nombor 3, maka 3 darab c tetap kekalkan constant which means that we will still obtain a c. So we could leave it as it is. But the rest, you have to expand it as usual. Minus 6u plus 3 ln of the absolute value of u plus c. Okay, now from here, you realize that you could resubstitute your u term to its original term, sorry. It will be x raised to the power of 1 over 3 plus 1. So from here, you could write this like this. X 1 over 3 plus 1 to the power 2 over 2 minus 6 times with x to the power of 1 over 3 plus 1 plus 3 ln the absolute value of x to the power of 1 over 3 plus 1 plus c. Okay, so if you want to leave it, well, you could simplify it further by expanding the power of 2 by using a binomial theorem as usual. So from here you obtain 3x to the power of 2 over 3 plus 6x to the power of 1 over 3 and then plus 3 over 2 minus 6x to the power of 1 over 3 minus 6 plus 3 ln the absolute value of x raised to the power of 1 over 3 plus 1 plus c. Now, well, you could simplify it again. Yeah, by separating the first term to 3 different terms. And you can see that 3 over 2 minus 6 plus c, all of them are constants in a way that we could express them in another constant variable. So in other words, I could write down my final answer in this particular form. So 6 divided by 2, well, 6 times x raised to the power of 1 over 3 divided by 2, it will be 3x to the power of 1 over 3. And then we simplify it by grouping the like terms. So I'm going to cut short by writing out the final answer. So plus 3 ln x 1 over 3 plus 1 plus c. Okay, so dari sini sebenarnya anda kata korang tak boleh pemudahkan, nak tinggalkan dalam bentuk begini boleh, nak kembangkan dan pemudahkan boleh, tak ada masalah. Okay, cuma perlu hati-hati perkembangan tu anda kata melibatkan simbol positif negatif, hati-hati apabila kembangkan. Sekejap, bagi saya masa, mungkin saat ni saya nak semak jawapan. And this is a very cool question because the substitution itself, 1 over 3 plus 1, right? Now, the answer should be the same as mine lah. So, negative. Yep, I suppose that's the case. Yeah, they expand it. Well, same thing, right? Yeah, it's supposed to be the same. Yep, I got the same answer. Alright, which is nice. Yeah. So if there's any questions, you could leave in the comments as usual. Alright. So I'll see you when I see you. Bye bye.